AP, spent 200K. They told me that frost, rainbow face. They hope I fall off, ain't no way. I might be alright, but it ain't okay. Niggas got left, niggas went right, I went left and stay left, and ain't nothing to say.
Yeah. Hey, you're on the feeling you're different. I want to blaze on the beast.
Hi guys, my name is Derek. If you're new here, you're welcome to my YouTube. And if you're old here, thank you for coming back. So today's my first day at uni, and I'm coming to uni, okay? So I got admitted to University of Ghana, Legon, and I'm at block A, New Pent, right? So I'm currently here to pack up my stuff and things, right? So let me take you through my day, the parking and things, okay? See you lots.
Hey, you're on the beach. Best in the corner kitchen. On the moon, the agent. Can't snip pigeon. Hey, on the cell and the vegan. Union, it will be on the fabric and the pigeon. Amen.
We re-up, only one on rotation, that's the blunt. We get high, have some fun, see my vision.
Psycho! So we have about 7 hours in Accra, okay? So I'll take you through the day and to jam. I just came to drop off my big brother at the campus, and right now we are going back. So I girls see you. Hey. Girls.
Wants the joint, break me free. On some trees till we can't feel our knees. All this key, all this weed, we get high and then we go. Whoa, whoa. On a boat and cloud nine, then we go. Whoa, whoa. Get the light and let it shine, then we go. Whoa, whoa. Hit that sticky icky, then we go. Whoa, whoa. Hit that endo we can find, then we go. Whoa.
Romo Delano, Nanso, Mayama Dena Shimano, Kanzo, Ameno, Pina Calado, Kanhum, Enyama Pina Kawano, Pamdo, one on them horno, Yamano Hong Crawford.
No, but the food is nice. I'll give it 8 over 10.
Yeah, you know what on the chrono. That's a walk and a sword.
We re-up, only one on rotation, that's the blunt. We get high, have some fun, see my vision, what's the joint, break me free. On some trees till we can't feel our knees. All this key, all this weed, we get high and then we go. Whoa, whoa. On the boat and cloud nine, then we go. Whoa, whoa. Get the light and let it shine, then we go. Whoa, whoa.
I'm feeling vibes on vibes. I'm a ticking dynamite. I blow your candle lights. You know I'm just that type. No, them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill my vibe. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill. Them no fit kill my. Wise man said, follow the stars. Yeah, you shall find a piece of advice. If you hit your enemies, enemies shine. If you're not a friend of me, enter the light. Cause you can never kill my vibe. Got here with no sacrifices. Everything was taken, still had to make it. Vibe killer, me I no go take shit. Vibe killer, bloody somebody time. Protect my energy from your bad aura. Then my pastor say I be my healer. Everything I desire, I go receive.
Hi guys, Adiachi Alopa, okay? It is now 10 a.m. and I'm currently at Ofanko because there was light out the whole of Pukwase from yesterday till like right now there's still no light, so I've come to Ofanko. So I woke up around 7 and there's no food in the house, like nothing. If you haven't quite, I'm alright. So I just got malt and nutri snack from the road. So I'm now going back home. Out of Anchor, yeah, I'm now going home. Then I'll finish it and I'll do whatever I have to do. So right now we've ordered for pizza from Chicken Man, okay? So when the delivery guy gets here, we go for it, and after eating and everything, I'll go I'll go to Achimota to cut my hair because my hair looks messy and bushy, okay? And now we are going to get a pizza because we wanted to pick it up, no delivery, okay? What that fool my eyes?
My boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when you're my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I met this chick and she just moved right up the block for me. And she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, when that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I better make this with him mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to
come
me.
on.
Girls in my crib, 0 Snapchat, 0 Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, oh baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream, as if you mean to be disgusting. It's not enough. Chop my banana, one side I lie, then no stop.
We're leaving.
Go shopping, fuck that. Meu vai Colorado. Breakfast don't fall. Meu Danny Muja come. As well champagne in my mood. I can see girls from the ghetto. Cat girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah, yeah. Dama. Oh yeah, yeah. Jello. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah.
So we just settled out where we pick our rabbits for production, okay? For our water company. So we are coming for rabbits and things. Then we go back to Korea. So my stay in Accra is over. Like in a couple hours time it's going to be over. But still now there's a whole lot to do. So no, I'll take you all through the day, okay?
What they say I ain't bugger. Got the money all on me, so down. Music make me feel happy, Jordan. Don't understand what they say I ain't bugger. Got the money all on me, so down. Anybody listening? Only what up in my head and my feet. Congresso, Ayapo, don't go and then contact them. So what's the outcome? It's a map on. Roll a lap on, record my album. When I trust anyone, but all that I have and I've been working. No go do like say I don't deserve them. Defend myself, me not fear no one. Because if you give me plenty money, you give me plenty money. Hypocrite plenty gone, but they pretend they gone. Got to prevent them from me. Them are identical to the devil gone. I just sit down walk.
So we are now leaving back for Korea, okay? See the things? Yeah. Now 5:25, okay?
Link with the kill them, seconds to Trinidad. Pick up the whole of them. Come on, get it, no idea. Anything I do. Headline news, if you waiting, I no do. Then go say I do. Nothing but the truth, and I step up in the booth. No lie, my life, no be smartin'. Remember last Christmas, Santa Claus gave me the glizzy with the switch dog. So some people no go see this Christmas. Man, them a grasses, most of them not even Christians. Click bang, body sinking at the quicksand. See deck full of bomb like Afghanistan.
And if you with me, guy, come me know the enemy. Them a pray, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, cause we bad than we mean. Bloody crime scene, calamity. That's how we shoot out brain, figure Canada G. Make them have a experience, no gravity.
Tell her pussy See when I laugh up, when I take that. Violate people are dead dog. You shoulda keep in your bed cause the Taliban's them a make work. When I laugh up, when I take that. Badness is where we end us when I shoot.